We can distinguish these two words when we add a particle here. So we can say 花も鼻もきれい Both a flower and a nose are beautiful. 花も鼻もきれい Both flower and a nose are beautiful. 花も鼻もきれい花も鼻もきれい both a nose and a flower are beautiful. 花も鼻もきれい花も鼻もきれい花も鼻もきれい The following is good for listening to native speakers. I don't recommend trying to speak the following way if you are not sure you are ready. It would be complicated, especially for beginners, so you can skip it. Japanese native speakers tend to speak flat-style nouns and tail-high-style nouns with a totally flat style when they are in the middle of a sentence. For example, 花も sometimes turns into 花も 花も sometimes turns into 花も So we can say 花も花もきれい花も花もきれい This is the basic pattern. And 花も花もきれい花も花もきれい And 花も花もきれい花も花もきれい花も花もきれい This is the basic 花も花もきれい And 花も花もきれい花も花もきれい And 花も花もきれい花も花もきれい They all are okay. Don't worry about them too much. This is just an exercise for the Japanese pitch accent. Good luck with your study.